An overlay is a layer of material that is applied over an existing surface. It can be used for a variety of purposes, including improving the appearance of a surface, protecting it from damage, or providing a new surface with a different texture. While they are typically made from materials such as asphalt, concrete, or stone, they can be applied to surfaces such as roofs, floors, or walls. The thickness of it depends on the material used and the purpose for which it is being applied. One of the most important aspects of any roofing system is maintenance and repair. A properly maintained roof will last much longer than one that is not, and will also perform better in terms of energy efficiency and resistance to weather damage. Even the best quality will eventually need some repairs, so it is important to be aware of the signs that it may need some work. The benefits of considering this option include increased protection from the elements and improved energy efficiency. Overlays can also extend the life of your existing one by protecting it from UV rays and other weather damage. If you are considering them for your home, be sure to consult with a qualified roofing contractor to discuss your options. Get a free estimate on your roofing project.